Okay, so we take a look at how you can connect Zoho email with Microsoft to do tasks, right? So for that we go to apps, and then over there I will be adding two apps, one being Zoho email and second being Microsoft to do. You can simply type in their respective names within the text box, right? And then add those connections. Now one more thing is clicking on dashboard, right? So I'll be typing in prompt when new email comes in Zoho email, append it to Microsoft to do tasks. Or you can even a much better option would be creating list and then appending to list. But let's see if we can do this particular task. So let's generate this app, sync Zoho mail with Microsoft to do, right? Create a task. So we'll try this. So first thing, making sure to connect your Zoho mail here. Once connected, we will continue. Give it inbox and then group result, right? Finally account details, you will have to point to particular email, then click continue. Right, now I'm going to test trigger then. Right, once the trigger is tested, it will give you next part for choosing the email format. Then we move to next stage, right? Even within the next stage I will be creating task. Click continue and give it the title. So subject is the title here, then list. You can create a list if you want. We add tasks, then within note we already have some body HTML. We can have summary within note, and I will keep the rest of the things as is. Let's test the step, see if it works. Right, now finally publish this Zap, and let's see if it appends one of the available email to Microsoft to do. So if I go there and go to tasks, here you see the data gets added from our one of the Zoho emails, and I can always delete this and start from new. I can also make a list and get it added within it, but you will have to change this particular trigger and also have to change this tasks, right? So hopefully you get the idea how to sync your Zoho email with Microsoft to do tasks using Zapier.